This is the complete volume of the Tomica 50th Anniversary History Selection. It comprises from volume 1 to 6, with the very first one a Toyota 2000 GT. I did a dedicated feature for each casting in the volume. If you missed the video, you can check out my playlist above. What really surprises me is the last volume being a BMW Z4, a Continental car. I was expecting a GR Supra, but Tomica took a twist and it became the Z4. And now a quick recap of all the 5 previous castings. Toyota 2000 GT is definitely the casting that Tomica is really proud of. This is the foundation of their establishment. The car itself is a national treasure in Japan. And of course, the casting by means is no surprise. They are all repeat casting. The Nissan Silvia, also another trademark for Tomica. Apart from the iconic body color, what really impresses me is the plastic headlights that is rarely seen in the red box, standard suspension, and also the opening doors. Casting also appears in Dream Tomica in the initial D series. Next, the Mazda RX-7 Police, which is also an expected casting in the 50th anniversary selection. Apart from the red box, the RX-7 Police also appears in the event Tomica. Next, the most popular casting among the 50th anniversary selection, the Honda NSX-R. Many collectors around me only go for the NSX-R, which makes sense. I'm not really a huge fan for this particular Fairlady Z. I got it with the sole purpose of completing the set. The button wheel set doesn't really pass well with the Fairlady Z, but the body paint is great along with an opening doors. And lastly, the Z4, rather unexpected. Box is elongated, although it doesn't serve any purpose other than just to mimic a book. First, I prefer it to be a square box to cut down storage space. 50th anniversary poster, which they still continues to celebrate. A comprehensive bio for the Z4 in Japanese. Casting wise, it's identical to the red box that was released last year. What I really like is the body color with a semi-gloss finish. Standard racing wheels with chrome lips including suspension. The BMW logo are sharp and legible, and it's a shame that the lightings are painted. The roof can be removed, hence it's now a convertible. Looks even better in the convertible mode. I really like the curve and the styling of this casting. Alright, that sums up my Tomica 50th anniversary history selection. A lot of overlapping in my videos, hence a slight delay. Stay tuned for more Tomica unboxing. And remember to head on to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing, for more contents. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section, including my bio. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everyone. Bye.